Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Prerna and today I'm going to show you how to make Palak Pakoras at home. Before we begin, please make sure you have subscribed to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you are notified every time I post a yummy recipe. For this recipe, we need besan or chickpea flour, rice flour, ajwain, crushed dhania seeds, salt, red chili powder, turmeric, chopped spinach, water, oil for frying, and baking soda. In a bowl, add 1.5 cup of besan and around 3 tablespoons of rice flour. Then add 1 teaspoon ajwain, 1 teaspoon crushed dhania seeds, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, and half teaspoon of turmeric and mix. Now add water little by little so that there are no lumps and make a smooth batter. Add a pinch of baking soda and mix gently. Now add the chopped spinach leaves and mix well, making sure all the leaves are coated properly. Now it's time to fry until they turn golden brown.